Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super well. I'm doing good too. Today's video is a how-to slick bun. Sleek. My English these days, I think it's, I don't know. Let's try that again. Today's video is a how-to video. I'll be achieving a sleek bun with natural afro hair. Yes, I didn't say 4C because my hair is no longer 4C because I have relaxed it. Let me just show you guys. I have relaxed it one time before with black silk, just so I could get it softer. It was getting very, very coarse and harder to deal with, and I honestly do not have the time for an afro. I don't know why I have an afro slash natural hair, which isn't completely natural, but anyway, I don't know why, because I have had an afro before. I had it in high school and it was just too much work. I ended up relaxing it, and I'm back at this life again. Back at it. But anyway, I was gonna start this video off with my finished look, but I was like, as in let's just start off like this so you guys see this hair. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy it, and if you're interested, please carry on watching. If you're new here, sorry. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Very nice to have you. If you've been here before and you're back, thank you for coming back. Thank you for always supporting. Make sure to comment, to like, and to subscribe, and carry on watching. I'll see you guys in this one. But yeah, thank you guys for always supporting, and make sure to check me out on my socials, and carry on watching to see how I achieve a sleek low bun with this hair. So you will need a few products depending on your hair type, what exactly you are wanting to achieve, and let me show you the products. First of all, you need a detangling brush. This is the brush that I use. This was like 9 rand at Manhattan in Pinetown, which is my go-to place for like hair stuff, hair extensions, all that type of stuff. So you need this to just detangle when the show will see your hair is as flat as possible. Also, you need a moisturizer. This is my most favorite moisturizer ever. I love the smell of this and how it treats my hair, and my hair stays moisturized AF with this. Like, this works on my hair, and I love the way that it smells. Oh my god, oh my god, I love it. Why am I being so crazy? I don't know. I think it's the silk shirt, but anyway. Next, you need some water or a hairspray, whatever. This is literally just water, conditioner, almond oil, and a bit of moisturizer in here to just to retain the moisture. But honestly, all you need is water, but I just have this. Oh, and a bit of coconut oil. Yeah, so you're just gonna keep shaking it to make sure that the oils are distributed evenly in the water. But yeah, that's what you need. And it's tiny because like it has the best spritz, honestly. Yeah, I can't even see this. I don't know why I'm doing this. But yeah, oh, and a bit of mint. I love putting mint in my hair. It like makes sure, my hair doesn't itch that much. Like, it stops itching, and mint is good for your hair. Gee, baby, I don't know why. I do, but I forgot it. But it's good for your roots and stuff like that, because it penetrates and makes your hair less dandruffy, less itchy, all that type of stuff. So mint is very important. I always have mint in my water. It's necessary. And then this I'm not sure about, because I don't know if I'm going to use it because gel does not work on my hair. But anyway, this is the gel that I will be using. And yeah, I've never used it before. I don't know if you will use it, but to make your hair stay as flat as possible to your scalp, this is exactly what you need. You need gel. Not this exactly, but you need gel to, you know, smooth it down. But it depends on the hair and the amount of gel you're willing to put. I'm not willing to put that much gel because I don't want it getting all in my hair like that, and then I have to wash it and stuff like that. Like, and gel really like dirties your pillows and stuff. It's like, because I went to go get my box braids done, and they had to put gel on my hair. I asked them to put gel to make it sleeker, but like literally it was on my pillows and it has never come out. So please know that. Please know that. Anyway, next you need a rat tail comb for your straight line, which I already have, but you know. Toothbrush for your gel to lay down the edges, and a hair tie, obviously to do the bun, to stick it back. And then you need this. If you're going to be doing baby hairs, you need something to hold, preferably satin, something to hold them down so that like they will stay put. And then a hair a duck to like, because I'm not putting gel, I'm not going to put gel, no, I don't want, no, I'm not going to put gel on my hair, sorry, I can't. Maybe I'll put a little bit, like, guys, I look so pretty. Anyway, let's start the whole process. My teeth look so good. Is it just me? I think it's the silk shirt, honestly. But anyway, let's start. So, gotta have to dampen your hair as much as you possibly can because detangling is freaking painful AF. So, in order to detangle easier and to make sure that it's not sore and you're not breaking your hair strands and all that stuff, just spray your hair as much as possible so that you can detangle easily. And then we're gonna have to just make sure it's straight. I think it's straight though. Some of my hair on my roots is like super coily. I do not know why. So like even getting like a straight line, see this, it's just impossible sometimes. But it depends on the day and how the hair is and all that stuff. I haven't washed my hair in about a week or so, just over a week. Well, I'm supposed to wash it today, but I don't know. Will we? We'll see. But can I just put more? Just make sure your hair is like wet, basically. I like dripping, but like wet. Let's start on this side, and then we're gonna start detangling from the end, so that you're not pulling on like all your hair like that. You don't want to ruin your hair. So you're just gonna comb it down. Honestly, this detangler is the best thing to ever happen to me because when I have to get my hair braided, this is the best thing to make sure that there's no knots, there's no coarse hair. It like combs it through so nicely, and then when I'm braiding it, it's so much easier to deal with. Look at the difference. Look at that. See how important detangling is? Look at that. Look at that. So let's get onto this side. Make sure that your ends and your roots are the most important part. So make sure that your ends and your roots are combed through because that's where you get the most amount of knots. And dealing with that is not cute. So anyway, because we're doing a low bun with the middle part, we're just gonna. Guys, I'm serious. Having an afro is so much work. My arms. Oh gosh. Just make sure that as many knots are out. And that's my afro. I've had this afro for what? Almost 3 years. In July it'll be 3 years, because I remember I moved to Joburg for a while and I cut my hair before I left, and that was July 2018. So yeah, it's almost 2 years now. Yeah. Can't count. But anyway, so this is the hair. Just gonna add a bit more water because we're about to put some moisturizer. It's always important to put some water in your hair before you moisturize, because it makes sure all of your hair as moisturized as possible. So these are not that much. That much. We're just gonna So now, this is now the point where you would put your gel. I think I'll add just a little bit, just to see. Just to see. Just gonna add a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't like gel. I don't know, but for the white stuff, let me see the whites, guys. Oh, but it's not. Okay, let's see. So now I'm gonna put that here so that when I gather my hair, I'm just gonna put like that, so that I'm gonna brush the hair down and hold it flat. I should put it on this side, yeah. And then, as I brush, I'm just gonna hold the hair flat so that it gathers into a low bun at the back of my head. Just gonna hold it tight, tight, tight. Looks like I have a huge ass face. Okay. And that is it. Yeah, the gel didn't do anything, because see? Not flat, flat, flat. But this is as flat as my hair gets. You can't beat yourself up with an afro. It's not going to be flat like it's silky hair. It won't. It just will not. Unless you have like the correct like tools and stuff like that to like straighten it. If you want to straighten it, you can straighten it, but to like fully put it flat, then go ahead, man. But for me, this is it. I like my hair like over the hair. But anyway, let's see if we can achieve. This is me. That's my hair. My hair is gone so much, guys. I'm happy with this. If you want, you could add some extensions, wrap them around, and then you can have a bigger bun, more volume, stuff like that. I like it from a bubble like this. To be honest, I already like have baby hairs like my own. So we're just gonna slightly define those. Just a little bit. So we're just gonna flat. That's enough baby hair for me. I don't like going too crazy because it's not gonna hold all day. It really won't. I know my hair texture, so I know it's not gonna hold all day. I'm just gonna do a slat, something young. I'm not a professional, so I'm just going with the way my hair flows and what I like to achieve. And I don't like putting too much on my skin because that causes pimples. So we'll just keep it clean and cute. It's not sitting down. I tried. We'll just do that. Oh, that looks nicer. So much nicer. And that. That is it. Oh no, I just messed it up. Okay, wait. That is it. If you want to keep them as long as possible, you just gotta tie them up, flat, tight, and then you wait. Look with the vibes. And then you wait. Make sure it is flat on your head, and then when you take it off, it'll stay longer. And then you can do your hair and your makeup, get your outfit sorted. Good. So that is it. That is it for my sleek bun. I like it. It's very clean, it's very prim, it's very proper, it's very classy. And with this color, I love this color. Oh my god. Love this color. I think my bridesmaids are gonna be wearing this. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my socials. And I'll see you guys on the very, very next one. Love you guys. Mwah. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah.